The Sierra Nevada mountains, Spanish meaning snowy mountains, are the foundation of our identity. Here, amidst the snow-capped peaks and pristine lakes, we curate experiences that blend seamlessly with our landscape, while embracing the untamed beauty of the Sierra Nevada mountains, making it your place to call home. Sierra Sotheby's International Realty is not just a real estate agency, we're your gateway to the Sierra lifestyle. It's the tranquility of alpine forests, the adventure of crystal clear waters, and the luxury of mountain living. Our properties aren't just structures, they're an integral part of this extraordinary landscape. Our commitment goes beyond a transaction. It's about creating legacies, a place where memories are made and futures are forged. Sierra Sotheby's International Realty, elevating real estate to the majestic heights of the Sierra Nevada mountains.